Hello, this is Derek, and I got a Tech Deck ramp today. I got the Toy Machine ramp. It's one of those big ramps. It's the second ramp since the Tony Hawk one. One set, and it says app 6 and up. Pages 6 and up. It's a big ramp. Tech Deck. Has a newer Tech Deck logo. My older one had the older one. It's big ramps and includes a toy machine, Tech Deck, grip tape, ramp, grips, and ramp. Do you see? It says 1 ramp, 2 grip tapes, 1 Tech Deck, 2 grips, and 1 ramp tape. Grips, and 1 ramp tape. Toy machine. And it says on the back, Tech Deck big ramps, and it says Toy Machine on the back. And it shows it as it's a coping? Quarter pipe. It's a quarter pipe. I don't say that slang. It's a quarter pipe. Toy machines. And it says again what it includes there. So yeah, now let's just get into the unboxing and open it. There's the first piece of tape down. I wish I could find the Star Wars board there. Right up there, but I don't. Yeah. The Tony Hawk set includes another skateboard. So let's get it out of the package. And here's it's full. Toy machine board. Oh yeah, it's a toy machine. It has the older Tech Deck logo there. Even though it was in a newer packaging, still has the older logo. It looks like a dude. Oh, looks funny. It's like a ghost in a way, but red. It's a toy machine, as I said earlier. Now let's test out this thing with here. Let's get our board out. Got this at Toys R Us on President's Day. Get it out. How did you get this out? Put it in the hole there. A toy machine board. You see the board here? Can't get it out of this thing. Why can't I get this out? Oh, yeah. Just gonna... Oh, that's sharp glass. It's plastic. It's wooden. It's a lot easier to open it. The circuit boards. They use Kramer deck in there. I got the board, the toy machine board. You see the front? It has like a it's like a devil, kind of like. This is a devil. See me tricking? Tricking's not a word, right? Oh, let's put the sticky grip tape on. Here's the grip tape I had with my Tic Tac Tony Hawk set. But that was older. That's older. Wait, peel off.
Toaster sleep is here.
Here's how the sticky grip tape works.
Was Toaster in here? Yeah. I thought I heard him in here.
Oh. Yep, that's what the sticky grip tape does to your tricks. How's this? Let's make it more even. Try not to stretch it out too much. Sticky grip tape, yeah. I can do ollies with these things. Ollies. It's so much easier to fix with sticky grip tape. Yep, it makes it a lot easier to do trick. That's all it basically does. So yeah, that'll probably end it for this Tech Deck unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And I'll see y'all later. More videos in the future. Bye.